Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning fun and straightforward. Today, we're tackling a super handy topic: how to add holidays to your Google Calendar for 2025. Whether you're a busy professional juggling meetings or just someone who loves to plan ahead, this feature will keep you on top of all those national holidays, festivals, and special days without any hassle. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Google account and have Google Calendar open in your web browser. It's that familiar grid of days that we all know and love. Once you're there, click on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. This is your gateway to customizing your calendar experience. Next, in the settings page, scroll down to the Add Calendar section. Here, you'll see an option for Holidays. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to select a country or region. Google Calendar offers holidays for various locations, so pick the one that matches where you are, like the US, UK, or India. But wait, we're focusing on 2025, right? Don't worry. Once you select your region, the holidays will automatically include upcoming years, including 2025. Now, after selecting your region, hit the Add button. Google will sync the holidays to your calendar in just a few seconds. You'll see them pop up as events in your monthly view, things like New Year's Day, Thanksgiving, or Diwali, depending on your choice. If you need to customize further, you can always edit or remove them later from the same settings menu. One quick tip: if you're using the Google Calendar app on your phone, the process is similar. Just tap the menu icon, go to Settings, and follow the same steps. This way, your holidays will sync across all your devices. And there you have it. You're all set for 2025. Adding holidays to Google Calendar is a game changer for staying organized. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.